type any keyword into this box over here. Click on generate and you'll be able to collect your earnings online again and again. Size 13 over here says, hey Jay, I want to try this but I don't have a PC. Size 13, this is going to be an epic video for you because what's fantastic about this strategy on how you can make money with this bot, you can do it off your phone completely for free. You don't need a PC, you don't need a strong internet connection, you can just use your mobile data. You can do this on the go wherever you are in the world. If you're in your local city, at the shop, you can do this and make a quick buck or two online. And this website pays out in all sorts of payment methods ranging from PayPal, Bitcoin to direct to bank as well. Now, I quickly want you to comment down below what's your favorite way to get paid. PayPal, Bitcoin, direct to bank, or any other way. Comment down below so that I can make more videos on those specific topics for you and release the best strategies based on those payment methods. So make sure to go do that down below so that hopefully I can bring out some awesome and epic videos for you guys down the line. But I'm not going to waste any time and let's get straight into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how I make money online, build online businesses, funnels, landing pages, affiliate marketing businesses, drop shipping, drop servicing, creating content, building a brand. These are all sorts of topics that I speak about on my YouTube channel. So if you want to get epic videos like this one on the daily, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. If you want to win $20 in today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment down below that you've done so, follow me on this YouTube channel with the bell on, and I will announce the winner in tomorrow's video. If you want to get 3 free courses that I paid for that you can get completely for free, I will leave a whole bunch of links and resource links down below where you can go and download these courses completely for free. They all are copyright free, so there's no copyright issues. You can go and grab them down in the description. It's just a bunch of free courses that I give away on my channel every single day to help you out with even more knowledge and skills to make money online. Now, quickly before we get started, just quickly make sure to go and enter this coupon over here on the link in the description down below and just see what it does. Take a look at this insane discount on the Drop Servicing University program. So all I'm going to say is take this coupon over here, type it in on the checkout over here, and just take a look at what it does. I'll see you over there. Alright, so now we're inside my PC. This tool over here called Get Socio is the bot that is going to help us generate this money online. So let's take Get Socio as a robot over here. Now, all he's going to do is he's going to generate you these texts and slogans over here, and we can use these slogans from this bot that has generated us this to make money online. It's a super simple concept. Now, make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you all the platforms that you need in order to get paid online, set this up, and actually get monetized throughout this process. It's super important. There's 1 or 2 important steps in between that we need to master in order to make money online with this bot. If you come over to this website, Get Socio, you can actually create your own website as well, completely for free. So all you do is you type the site name, site address, your name, email, and password. You can create your own beautiful e-commerce store at the click of a button. But what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Get Socio /tools/slogan generator. And not only that, they also offer a business name generator to generate different names for businesses around the world. Now, there are tons of businesses out there that will pay people a lot of money to get a catchy business name and a catchy slogan for their business. But in this case, we're going to be using the slogan generator, so make sure to use that tool over here. If you scroll down before we quickly continue with this, you will see some need a different type of slogan. So you've got baker slogans, boutiques, Christian slogans, cute boutiques, corporations, law firms, mobile apps, startups. This website offers slogans for all sorts of companies around the world, so you don't have to worry about different niches. And just to quickly show you that this website is trusted, all we're going to do is we're going to click on Google, type in getsocio.com, and we're going to type here review. We just want to go and look for reviews on this website. So let's click on enter over here. Let's open this up in Capterra. Let's open this up in Software Costs and the SMB Guide. 3 different review platforms that are reviewing the site. Take a look at this. Firstly, it is rated 5 stars on Capterra. This website over here on Get Socio rates it, if I scroll down some more, here an 86% overall rating. It's all in the green, so it's very highly rated. No problems, no scams with this website. And thirdly, let's just take a look at the third one just to confirm that this is a good website. Over here on Scam Advisor, also 100% trust score and 4.5 stars. So this is a very highly rated website. There's no problems with this being a untrusted or bad website. So that means we can go and continue. Like I said, make sure to always review your websites. Just type in the website name and search review review after that website and go and look at multiple forums and see what people have to say to make sure that the site is safe. So without further ado, we can go and continue with this website. Now, just to remind you, all businesses out there need some kind of slogan. There hasn't been one business where I haven't seen some kind of slogan in my local area. So it's very important. It plays a big role to the brand and the image of a company. And a lot of companies are willing to pay to get that perfect slogan. So let's go, for example, use my brand. We can go and type millionaire mindset as a keyword. Obviously, if you're a butchery, you type in meat. If you're a sports business, you can type in shop or sports or whatever. But let's go and use the Millionaire Mindset brand and let's click on generate slogans. Over here, you can see now with a 50% more Millionaire Mindset. Don't be vague. Ask for Millionaire Mindset forever. Got a Millionaire Mindset. Reach for the Millionaire Mindset. The Wanderer has a name, Millionaire Mindset. Millionaire Mindset takes to the next level. You can see all of these slogans over here go all the way up to page 5. So there are so many different types of slogans that we can go and use to make money online that this bot has generated us. Now, I want you to take a look at this. If you come over to a website like guru.com and search slogan, people are paying starting at $25 an hour to write poems and simple slogans. This person over here with the slogan creator is earning $25 each time he gets a sale. And if I come over to truelancer.com and search slogan, this person over here that designs simple slogans for $7 and has 27 orders and proposals already, just writing simple slogans. Now, all this person does is he comes over to a tool like getsocio.com and generates simple slogans that he sends back to his clients. This bot or slogan generator bot is doing all the hard work for him, taking away all that effort and time that you have to put in while still making the same amount of money. This person over here generates words and slogans and audio scripts at $5 an hour. He's had over 126 proposals. So that means he's made well over $600 just off the simple gig on guru.com. You can also come over to a website called People Per Hour. Click on enter on Google and just click on the first link. Go and search slogan on the search bar. And over here, this person writes a simple slogan strapline for your business. Take a look at how much they've earned. They get paid $55 per slogan they create. They've had over 582 reviews. Now, in order to leave a review, you need to have ordered that product. So that means they've had a minimum of 582 orders. So let's go 582 multiply the price of 55. They have made over $32,010 so far just of this gig. Let's go down a little bit and look for some of the smaller people. So over here, you can see is a person who's way down at the bottom of the page, who charges $35 for a perfect slogan or tagline. They've gotten over 2,400 views or reviews, meaning they've had a minimum of 2,400 orders. So again, let's go 25 multiplied by 2,400. That's over $60,000 that this gig or person has earned so far creating simple slogans. Now, what a lot of people or businesses don't know is there are so many of these tools out there that you can go and use to generate simple slogans like this completely for free. But there's a lot of people that don't know that and are willing to rather pay because they have no idea that these kind of tools exist. So these 2% of people on People Per Hour and Guru and truelancer.com have found the secret and the trick to this. They're literally using a free slogan generator tool to generate money like this. And think about it like this. This person has shown if you can get 10 people to place an order at $35, that is $350. If you can get 100 people to place an order of $35, that is $3,500. If you get 1,000 people to place an order with you, like this person has got over 2,400, that's over $35,000 profit that you can make with the simple slogan generator robot. Now I'm going to show you guys an awesome alternative. You can also come over to slogangenerator.org and use this to even get more varieties to never run out of ideas. So let's go and use the Millionaire Mindset example again. Click on generate slogans, and over here you can see it generates a slogan every time. Skilled Millionaire Mindset purveyors. If I click on generate again, the best in the Millionaire Mindset, If I click on again, the veteran millionaire mindset purveyors, the millionaire mindset devotees, click on again, delighting millionaire mindset fanatics. So these are all sorts of slogans that you can go and click on and generate and sell each time again and again on people per hour. I also recommend come over to all of these sites over here. If you search Fiverr Alternative, Upworks, 99 Designs, Guru, Top Total, Freelancer, Truelancer, Outsourcely. So let's, for example, just highlight this, click on right click, open in a new tab, open up toptotal.com. And again, you can go and log in and apply as a freelancer and sell these services, selling these slogans to people all over the world. I recommend list your gig on as many websites as possible to get as many sales that you can possibly get, which means the most money that you can possibly make. And just as an insane bonus for you guys, I found this website over here called sloganslingers.com, which is a website that will actually pay you via contest. So it won't pay every one of you, but you might as well go and try it and take a look at this. You can show off your skills and generate and submit your slogans against other writers from all over the world and get noticed worldwide. You can get the chance to win money for your creativity, specifically the chance to win $500 plus for your creativity. Entries are kept confidential until the contest ends, so no one can copy your work. So this is a website I really recommend. Go and try out sloganslingers.com. I'll zoom it up on the screen. You need to click on write slogans over here, open this in a tab, and you can view all the requirements or what you're going to get over here. And you can sign in with Google or your Facebook account and take a look at this. You can also click on get a slogan over here and generate a slogan for your company, and just write a name, a brief, and click on continue, and it will automatically generate that for you, and you can use that for submission as well. Guys, what I'm quickly going to do is, if you want to get an entire playlist of my best videos on YouTube that I've compiled together for you guys to make other ways of money like this online, I will leave it on the screen over here. So you can go and click on this playlist. There's plus minus 300 videos that you can go and choose from. You can either binge watch them with some coffee or whatever, just to develop all these skills. It's all the best videos I've accumulated over the years, put into one playlist for you guys. So make sure to click on this playlist over here if you're keen to go and see that, and I'll see you over there.